mga pills sa atong
Pwede mo sila mataunan ng tubig.
nabawa
Yes,
na nga. Again, at this juncture ay
Usa ka mabungahon og maayong adlaw kanining tanan, mabuhay og madayaw gikan sa dakbayan sa Davao. How time flies kay usa na gyud ka tuig ang atoang pagpanaguban-uban, and of course, salamat sa inyong walay puas inyong pagsalig kanamo. Welcome na usab sa Kapihan sa Kadangpan, the Kadangpan Digital Media Forum na usa na katuig na kitang nag-alagad. Ug kami gihapon sa kanunay ang inyong mga moderators Kadangpang Carlo Dolier,
Tomas Cano Abansenia Jr. Ang atong bisita, ang General Manager sa Royal Mandaya.
yes, so of course, wala ko ka-realize nga daan pa naman kami magkaila, to be honest. And we are joined by Ma'am Lani Tiuzon, the General Manager of the Royal Mandaya Hotel. Mabuhay og madayaw, Ma'am Lani!
Mabuhay manayaw.
Yes. So, ikaw na yung unang pag-tira sa pangutana, Tomas.
Ma'am, karon kay angat ang atong Duaw Davao. So, nag-expect itag daghang bisita, no? Sa nagkalain-laing lugar, kung unsa ang atong preparasyon karong sunod simana ata ang Duaw Davao sa atong hotels, sa atong buffet din may mga discount ba tang gina-offer sa atong mga customers or kliyente sa hotel nato, ma'am.
Tama dyan na, Sir Tomas, na atay mga discounts na ihatag sa ato ang mga guests, lalo na naata diri mismo sa sentro sa Dakbayan sa Davao. So, naaming mga special promotions, special discounts na i-post namo sa amo ang Facebook page. So, gina-encourage na ko ang tanan na mag-like ta sa the Royal Mandaya Hotel. And then, aside from that, naapod tayo mga discounts para sa ato ang buffet. So, naami mga promo like, for example, 5 plus 1, 5 paying guests plus 1 free. And then, samot na, kung birthday ninyo karong maabot tayo na Hunyo, na atay ginatawag na 3 plus 1 o 2 plus 1. So, meaning, for 2 full paying guests na atay isa ka libre na kauban sa mga mukhaon. One ng mga bago nato ng mga happenings dari sa The Royal Mandaya Hotel.
Okay.
Wala dili sa gilimit sa Duaw Davao lang. Basta masulod siya sa June nga month, muna siya mga free.
Actually, gisabay na mo na, sir, sa Duaw Davao kay wala pa man na mo na promo dari sa Mandaya. Yes.
So,
that's
first time
right.
siya karoon na promo.
Exactly, sir.
Mas maayo. So,
Gisabay jud na mo siya.
Kasi mga bisita na, time na ninyo, na nanay 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1.
Yes.
Na by 3 plus 1.
Sa Royal Mandaya Buffet.
So, technically, we are here in this Kamayo Cafe, to be exact. But, of course, everyone is quite intrigued na ano yung mga ginadalit yun alang sa itong mga walk-in na mga customers, especially katong mga nagka-check-in na bisan pa overnight.
Okay, so ang among buffet, actually, naami gina-post karon sa Facebook. If you have noticed po, we're quite active with our social media platforms, which is very good. And then people try to realize na, wow, Mandaya is being active in the social media na po. Karon, we have our buffet every day. So that's from lunch buffet and dinner buffet for 888 pesos only. And aside from that po, sir, soon we're just coming out of the menu. We will be going to have to launch our merienda box.
Wow.
Naapay mga unsa na mga kanang delicacies from Davao, tapos apila na mo na siya og a special drink. So malamang imbitahon na pud ako mo, sir, pag i-launch na mo na siya, kay we're on still planning for that one. Pero hapit na mi sa mo ang planning stage, mahuman sa among planning stage.
Yes, so technically, what we are seeing right now is, of course, breakfast, no? Oo. So, syempre, usay bestseller yun, to be exact. As far as when usa na kaya kabulan, I think.
1 month and 1 week to be exact.
Wow. With the as the general manager, but
Yes.
of course unsay ginabalik-balikan man pod, or regardless kung naka-check-in or naka-walk in with the buffet na ginadalit for our visitors.
Kaya na dyan, sir, mahambog dyan ako na ginagmay kay it's like seen in our social media comments ang amo ang pagkaon dyan ang ginabalik-balikan. So it's either the breakfast, the lunch, or the buffet po. Then of course, the ambience. As we all know that Royal Mandaya Hotel is one of the iconic and heritage hotels here in Davao City.
Okay. I'd like to ask regarding, I think you have been involved in so many things regarding sa hotels and resorts, to be exact. And of course, member man good sa Davao HRSMA, ang Royal Mandaya Hotel. But technically, despite the ongoing crisis that is happening right now, especially trying na makadaginot man ta sa electric bill, to be exact. But how is Royal Mandaya Hotel doing as far as, syempre, despite the crisis in the power is concerned?
Okay, to be honest, everyone's really affected of the crisis, but then we are very thankful for our loyal guests like Sir Carlo and then Sir Thomas also for being here always. And then with that being said, we still have our functions with those guests that we already have from previously, and they keep on coming back. But then it's a bit lesser because some of them have already canceled, but still there's still functions that are going on. So that's why we are surviving. Hopefully that this crisis will end and
Yes.
able for us to bring back the business, especially in our region.
Yeah. Kindly bear with Thomas because he cannot understand much of what we're saying. But, ma'am, I like to ask with regards with the, of course, 1 month and 1 week to be exact since being the general manager. How is it with the changes going on that you have been implementing and yet to be implemented as far as for the better experience of our visitors?
Okay, I must say that I am so really happy in terms of the changes here in Mandaya, even though it's just with the aesthetic and even the people. And the good thing about that is that I have a really great team that supports me, and of course the owners itself, because without them I'm not able to do everything what is happening here in Mandaya. I believe that it's just not a 1 month success, but it's for the great teamwork, then you're able to have all these successes.
Okay. Might ask with regards with the preparations for not just only Duao Davao but also Father's Day
That's
to be
true.
technically so how are the amenities prepared for our loyal customers, especially those who will yet to check in celebration of the festivity for next month and also for Father's Day?
For the Father's Day, actually, we'll be posting it out later with
Okay.
our social media, and we have changed it a bit like from our Mother's Day special, because during the Mother's Day, the buffet was here in Camayo, but now we had it a twist kay ang mga father ganahan man jud nag-unsa ka ng outdoor setting tapos inom-inom. That's why we're going to boost out our cabana area. So that's our swimming pool kasi most of the people doesn't are not familiar with that place, and we have a very nice swimming pool over there. Hopefully next interview kay dito na punta para ma-expose na to na area. So so the buffet will be in the cabana. And then we will have a special menu here in Camayo if in case the cabana is full kasi we have a limited seats lang over there.
Okay. Right before we proceed to the next question that I would ask, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ma'am Feli Mahani, who is a former, of course, even up to now, no, from Tabak, Talakayan, Balita, at Kaalaman. I'll go on to the next question, which regarding to probably, I don't know if it's occurred in the past or is yet to be planned. Are there any other amenities here at the Royal Mandaya Hotel to be set for renovation?
Yes po. That's a good one, Sir Carlo. Kasi we are, of course, as we all know, Mandaya has been here for quite some time. It's actually 27 years.
Yes.
And yes, that's correct po. And we are planning to have an upgrade facility. So that is something that you would like to look forward. And then aside from that, kasi the Mandaya previously had the spa area, and now we're going to put it up also. And then even yun nga po, yung sa Cabana kasi, it was just like a swimming pool, pero we have a small function room then over there for special events, like for example, like karaoke night and everything. That's one of those things that we would also releasing soon po.
Okay. Tomas?
So, sa katagalan ng Royal Mandaya Hotel, 27 years.
That's correct, sir.
Parang pinaganda mo ng pinaganda. 1 month.
One pa lang mga ka-sir.
1 month. 1 week.
Yes,
So,
sir.
napaganda mo lang. Kahit ang mga views dito, nakita ko sa mga display, nagbago.
Yes, sir.
Kahit na nga yung isang program namin, ni Ruth, nalipat na. So, nagulat ako. Tapos, parang pinaganda mo, ma'am. Ay, mga plano ka ba rin pagandahin pa muli ang yung mga plano pa na pagandahin mo pa?
Yes, sir. Kasi po, yun po talaga yung promise ko with the owners, of course, because this one has been here nga po, and it was like the golden days back. So that's one of those promises that I have told the owners that I'll be fulfilling talaga. If you have noticed din po sa mga viewers po natin or listeners po na been here before yung mezzanine natin, actually, binalik na po namin yung mga sitting chairs namin dyan for you to relax here in our lobby. And then later or sooner, that's part of our plans din po. Magkakaroon po siguro tayo ng coffee shop over there. So for those people who do want to dine in, kasi they're quite full, then they can just like have a snack in our mezzanine area. And yes, ayoko masyadong sabihin ano kasi para surprise sa kanila yung iba.
Okay.
Yeah. Para makavisit sila dito.
Yes. Probably the Royal Mandaya Hotel has been stood that by the test of time, to be exact, no?
That's true, Sir Carlo.
But of course, the facade, I don't know if there are any repainting of the facade outside kasi na-fade out yung ano.
That's actually happening right now, Sir Carlo, over there. As you have seen, we're starting to paint our facade po. Para kasi we're planning, to give it a life again. And even for the, the drop-off and area, we're going to lighten it up para, alam mo yun, mas maliwanag. Kasi ngayon, ang generation ngayon, the more na maliwanag ka, the more na sikat ka, the more na attractive ka. So, yun yung gagawin namin. Pero, we're not changing how the Mandaya looks like kasi that's our branding. Kaya nga po, pagpasok nyo dito, Mandaya is actually one of the highest ceiling for the lobby. Kaya napaka-elegant. So, we would like to preserve that one. Pero, of course, with some upgrades na din, aesthetically.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. I think because you've been involved in some hotels, I don't know if there are some before. What sets apart, of course, the competitors to be exact dito sa Davao ng mga hotels, especially yung mga dalagko. But what sets the Royal Mandaya Hotel apart compared to the other major hotels here in Davao?
Okay, that one is what I am proud of. Kasi Mandaya, as I mentioned earlier, is one of the so-called the big five hotels here in Davao City, and especially that we are at the heart of Davao City. What sets apart is that yung being iconic at saka yung heritage. If you would know the history back then of Mandaya, then you would know especially this stairs that we have over there. There's like a lot of mga politically, of course, a lot of winnings that had happened here in Mandaya. So that one would set us apart with the other hotels that we have. And then, yun na nga, we're trying to preserve what is like 27 years ago. So maybe yung mga kaanak-anakan nyo pa na hindi nyo nakita kung ano yung Mandaya dati, they will still see that even though there's like a lot of generations has passed by.
Okay.
Yan po.
Tomas?
Kopil, may katanungan ka? Hindi kang magtanong. Kasi dito tayo dati sa Tabang. Ilang taon na yun.
Kaya nga.
So, preparado na kayo, ma'am, sa this coming Luaw Davao. Sa mga preparation, lahat-lahat, sa hotels, pagkain, mga preparado na kayo.
Yes, sir. Kaya po yun, I really do apologize, medyo na-late kami kasi that's what I was telling our team is that this is the best time for us to do the preparation, especially for the first week of June. Kasi as you have noticed, medyo mababang occupancy namin. It's maybe because of the holiday tomorrow. So, na-sandwich talaga siya. Exactly. Kaya ngayon, ito talaga yung best thing namin na, ayan, if you can see our colleagues over here, they're doing all the preparations and everything para ready kami sa bakbakan next week. That's correct po.
Ilang araw na, June na, ba?
Yun na nga, sir.
June na, malapit na.
Kaya araw-araw talaga kami nag-uusap ng mga teammates namin kasi yun talaga ang as being the leader of the hotel, yun yung gusto ko ma-achieve talaga. You need to get to know your people and able also to help them, to help each one of them.
Okay. So, I don't know, Ma'am Lani, with regards sa, on the part as, of course, this hotel is a member of the Davao HRSMA, but how's life for those na yet na babalik sa what it used to be compared to the pandemic na medyo mababa yung occupancy rate of those na medyo affected ang lahat, but how's it doing with the association as of now?
Nakakatawa kasi they said na, oh wow, Manila is being active now unlike before nung yung after pandemic, no?
Okay.
So yun yung feeling na they are excited kasi actually yung association namin na yun, most of the babies over there, I mean the hoteliers that are from there are actually from Mandaya also. So they still have those feeling na ay baby pa rin namin si Mandaya before. And the good thing about that is tumutulong din sila kasi like for example, the good thing about the association, if the hotels nearby, like Bahada, especially sa SMX, kapag puno sila, they will call you and then, uy, si Mandaya, ganyan. So, nare-recommend din. And that's one thing that I would love to commend naman sa HRSMA.
Yeah. So right now, what are your plans on the long term for the Royal Mandaya Hotel? As what you have mentioned earlier, that there are some major or minor changes na ginagawa. But
Yes.
what is the long term that you will have as far as you're the general manager of this hotel?
All right. So, currently, actually, magsa-start na kami. Later on, baka mag-meeting na ako. Of course, the first one is our internet facilities. That's one that we need to improve talaga. And then, aside from that, it would take about, ang timeline yan is 3 to 4 months. And then, after which is ongoing din tayo sa mga refurbishments of our rooms. So, unti-unti namin yan kasi we don't want to close the entire tower din kasi. So, that's one of those longer terms namin kasi if you know, sir, siguro later on or sooner, pwede tayo din mag-room tour sa atong mga rooms namin kasi meron kaming presidential suite, may junior suite kami, and then of course, our deluxe room and the superior rooms. So yun, isa yun sa medyo hindi kasi siya ganun ka bilis for the timeline. It would take about 1 to 1.5 years.
Mm-hmm.
So with that being said, this are full investment for us, and then system wise also we're trying to kahit iconic heritage siya, pero if your systems are all upgraded, then it would be very fast for us, efficient also. Efficiency na din kasi ang inaano natin ngayon, at of course ang consistency ng bawat Kung ngayon nakikita nyo na medyo, yun nga, proud ako na okay ang service ng mga staff natin, lalo na kapag you have a very good system, mas lalo pa naming it would exceed the expectations of our guests.
Okay.
Yun naman yung pinaka-goal namin.
Yes. Tomas?
Pero sa ngayong panahon, ma'am, sa crisis natin, wala kayong mga increases na mga, halimbawa sa mga hotels, walang increase. Same pa rin, cheap pa rin naman.
Yes, sir.
Affordable.
Same pa rin naman po kami ng price. That's 3,888 for our rooms. And then, depending on what category po siya. Hindi kami nag-increase pa. Siyempre, naiintindihan po namin ang mga guests din po namin na yung mga gusto magstay dito, then our prices are still the same po.
Kasi parang ang lahat ng bilihin nag-i-increase eh.
Oo
Sa
nga,
inyong
sir.
steady lang.
Ano lang po yan, meron lang kami mga kailangan i-adjust back and gumawa kami ng strategy namin para hindi naman maapektuhan ang ating mga guests.
Kasi hindi natin.
That's correct
So,
po.
mas maigi na gawa ng paraan kasi yung iba nag-increasean dahil nag-increase ang mga bilihin, lahat-lahat sinabayan din.
Yun na nga eh.
Yun, mahirap.
Totoo
At
po
least
yan.
yung iba lilipat ng
Totoo
heads,
po yan, sir.
Hanap ng yung affordable nila.
Kaya
tayo. Hindi kayo nag-increase.
Hindi po, sir.
Kahit dito sa buffet ninyo.
Hindi rin po.
Yes.
Welcome na welcome po.
Ma'am Lani, for the record and for the benefit of those who are not aware, how many rooms to be exact, to be specific,
That's
here at the
right.
Royal Mandaya Hotel?
That's 181 po.
Wow.
Of different room categories with 2 towers po yan.
Yes. So, okay. Of course, I have been here for so many occasions to be specific. No?
Wow, that's great
Yes.
po.
And it also includes the Christmas lighting.
Looking forward to that one, Sir Carlo.
Yeah. I hope you will invite us.
Of course, naman kayo pa ba?
All right. So I have so many questions, but we will reserve it for the next.
Next,
if
yeah.
ever given that you will be our guest again. But of course, as we're about to close, would you have a final statement or closing statement from you? We will hear from Miss Liani Tuzon, the General Manager of the Royal Mandaya Hotel and the member of the Davao Hotels Resort Sales and Marketing Association.
Again po, sa mga viewers at listeners po ng ating programa, I am inviting you to come and visit Royal Mandaya Hotel here in J. Camus in the heart of Davao City, and you would see how beautiful our hotel is. So for any discounts and promotions that we have, kindly just follow our official Facebook page po. So that's the Royal Mandaya Hotel. We also we have socials like Instagram and TikTok po as well. Looking forward to see you all po.
Yes. I also have a last question right before we wrap things up. Probably for awareness na lang po dun sa mga they wanted to book, but of course they're doubtful that merong mga pretended to be the Royal Mandaya Hotel.
Yeah,
to be
uso yan
exact, kasi
ngayon.
ang daming mga
Yes.
scam na parang ginagamit ng name para magdilihensya. But what are the reminders po dun sa mga those who will book, to be exact, para hindi sila ma-scam?
Yan po. Actually, kami po, para maiwasan po yan, the hotel would not require you to send any, money or GCash po. It's not official.
Opo.
We will ask our guests to pay upfront here. Kung halimbawang kailangan nyo po mag-book online, and then we will have policies for that. So, we will hold the booking on a certain time, and then kung hindi po kayo makapunta, that's the time that we can cancel. Pero, the hotel will never ask for any amount of money through messengers po, through our socials. It's not official po.
Yes.
Medyo sketchy yun pag nangyari yun.
Yes. It's better kung dito na lang officially.
Exactly.
Yes. In person sa concierge.
Yeah, and meron naman kaming bank details, pero kasi you would see the account name
Yes.
naman talaga dyan kung sino yung it would not be under the name of a person po. It's not, because we are under a company.
Yes, under the company talaga. Alright. With that, thank you so much, Ma'am Lani Tuzon,
Thank you,
General
thank you
Manager
so
of the Royal
much.
Mandaya Hotel.
Thank you.
O,
Sir
Tomas
Thomas.
Maraga, syempre, usa na katuig kapin, no? Wala ta kabalo, pero maori ang first guest for the first year.
Wow, thank you. It's so grateful I was invited.
Balik natin, matob natin yung mga hotel, yung
Yun nga,
mga
sir.
rooms.
I would love to show yung cabana natin. Siguro next time doon naman tayo.
Yes,
So, siguro before
before,
magkatayawan.
yes,
Yes,
oh,
yes,
before,
yes.
oo.
Tingnan natin,
Sige.
para mabili natin, ma-invite mga tao sa program natin through live.
Thank you
Yes,
so
oo.
much po.
Pero, Tomas, mangutan ako, unsay natun-an nato, so sa katuig na itong panag-uban, unsay atong natun-an yun.
Na-practice na ako uli ang pag-interview kasi not like before, nandun kami lahat, tabak kami. lahat. So, nawala kasi paminsan, nawala ng taon. So, pinagpagbalik ko, hindi ko makagano alam yung mga takbo. Kaya, inano ko si Carlo, natuto ako sa kanya, kaya iano ko yung mga member namin ng tabak kasi nawala kasi yung taon Kaya, parang naano ako sa So, ngayon, pabalik na unti-unti.
Ganun talaga yan, sir.
Yeah. Slowly but surely.
Exactly.
Oo.
Tama yan, Sir Carlo.
Pero syempre Thomas, naba kay mensahe katong sa mga nagasuporta sa ato through the past year and even up to now nga although dili man gyud perfect pero ginapaningkamot nato nga mahatag. Oo. Unsay message?
Sila po tanaw, magsubaybay kung naa sila yung saway lang sila. Kaya ako, nakita man ako na siyempre nabaguhan ko for 1 year pa lang. So, nasa una kay Tabak, may EPPNP, may Davao Press Club, may DSA, kami ni Ma'am Marlene Roque sa Scoop. So, ako masyado kasama. So, nawala bigla.
It's okay.
So, balik ko, nag 1 year pa. So, ang amin pagka 1 year din, hindi straight na kasi bilang dalawa rin ang partner, mag-iba. So, nagbalik na unti-unti.
Yes.
Yan lang, message ko sa nila, continuous lang kayo manood at makinig sa aming program sa Kadangpan News.
Yes.
At saka itong Tabak, talakayan, balitaan at kaalaman, itanong mo kay Chito, architect.
Alright. Message lang nako sa atong mga nagalantaw karon. Salamat kayo and for 1 year kapin there are ups and downs but wala nato mabiyaan ang ato ang paghatag og mahinungdanong impormasyon na angay nato masayran sa katawhan. Bahala gamay basta andam mi kanunay sa tanang panahon. So technically sa mga musnod pang mga edisyon maybe we will set permanent ning venue maong Royal Manday Hotel. But technically, atong pasalamatan ng venue natong gigamit karon ang the Royal Manday Hotel. Of
Thank
course,
you,
it is located kanto sa Ponciano, Reyes Street, Davao City. And the landmark is just right beside sa building sa UM Multitest Building.
Yes.
Okay, so to be specific, kay masipyat ko kay Lugar naman ko sa Davao, pero wala ko kasuhito ano yung mga lugar. But anyway, hangtod sunod gayon, makitan usab ang maong episode sa tuwang replay karong alas 9 sa gabi sa tuwang Facebook o YouTube sa Kadangpan Digital. Dini natapos ang ato ang kapihan sa Kadangpan, the Kadangpan Digital Media Forum, nga usana katuig na nagalagad kaninyo, Bisaya naman pero glaglom, bahalag di masabtan nito, masang sa'yo mga laglom na itong mga words. O kami gihapon sa kanunay, ang inyong mga moderators, Kadangpan Carlo Dolier,
Tomas Canoy Abansenia Jr., ang inyong lingkod. Daghang salamat sa pagsubaybay sa among program.
alangan kung nagtindog na naglingkod man ta. Salamat og maayong buntag ang pigpermente. Once again, mabuhay og madayaw. Salamat.